Sissy, those are my pants. Grr. 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 Lucy, those are my pants, Sissy. Those are my sweatpants. Oh, look. Maybe Nanny's been talking to you. Did she tell you to destroy all my sweatpants? Apparently. Is that a yes? Sissy? No, don't get them. No! No! Those are mine! Sissy! Sissy! No! Ow. Sissy! Sissy! In my pants! No! Sissy! No, those are mine! Sissy! What are you doing? Oh, you took them. What are you doing? Are you a good girl? What do you mean? I'm gonna get her. What's that? What's that? Was somebody knocking in there? Get out of there, Sissy. 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 Hi. Lucy. Lucy. Are you a good girl? What? Do you want to sing? Sing. Sing. Oh. You don't like my singing? You're going to destroy my pants? Great. Do you like your puppy treat, Sissy? Hi. Come here. Come here, Mom will fix it. Sissy. Come here. Come here. I know. The puppy treats get stuck in your teeth. Come here. Come here. I'll fix it. Hold on. Hold on. Get out of your teeth. Yeah. Okay. Is that better? Is that better? Yes? Oh. That's a good girl. Hi. You're pretty. And nosy. Do you want to get a bath? Yeah. Come on. Get in there. Get in. Get in there. Get in. No? Oh. I don't want to get in there. Do you want a bath? Get in there, Sissy. You're nosy. Don't cry. Don't cry. Are you pretty? Sissy! Those are mine. Where's your monkey? Where's Monkey? Hurry! Go get Monkey. Where's Bunny? Sissy. Do you remember where you left them? Where's Monkey, Sissy? Are you going to get it? Go get our monkey. It's not in there. Hi. You're pretty. Are you pretty? Apparently she doesn't like to be called pretty. Lucy. Quit looking at me. You're scaring me. What are you doing, Sissy?